We've always had a problem of antisocial behaviour related to underage drinking or whatever, which has come in peaks and troughs. I don't think Pontardawe is any different to any other community, but basically what we've got here is myself as the councillor, a very proactive police sergeant and a PCSO, and we got our heads together and said, instead of just dealing with the offenders, there must be a way of targeting this at source by looking at what the young people want to do themselves.
The local policing team have run a survey to hear from local people as to what they like and what they don't like, what worries them and what their experience is, particularly in relation to underage drinking.
One of the main things for me that came out of the survey, there was an agreement between the residents and the young people that there was insufficient facilities for young people in Pontardawe, and that's a challenge for me and the rest of the community going forward, is how to address this. I'm looking to set up a youth board to work with myself and the PCSOs and the councillors to set up something that they will enjoy, they'll embrace and they look after and run, hopefully.
I was pleased to see this afternoon that there were licensed premises owners in the meeting, and they've been coming to our police and community trust, to our pact meetings as well, so they are involved. We know that some are more anxious to keep to the letter of the law than others. It's the most tactful way I can put it, but there is a willingness to pull together.
We saw a terrific turnout by people at the launch today, and some of the local residents coming up to talk in detail about their experience. That's really encouraging, because once people are talking, you can start to move from a problem to a solution.